Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your AirPods to your Garmin Fenix 6 watch. First, make sure your AirPods are fully charged and inside their case. Keep them close to your watch for the best connection. To begin, press and hold the light button on your Fenix 6 to open the controls menu. This is the essential starting point for setting up your audio devices and getting ready to enjoy your music. Once you are in the controls menu, navigate to the music icon and select it. From there, you will see an option for headphones. Choose this to proceed. Next, select Add New to instruct your Fenix 6 to start searching for available Bluetooth audio devices. Your watch is now actively looking for your AirPods to establish a connection. Now, let's prepare your AirPods for pairing. Open the lid of your AirPods charging case, but keep the AirPods inside. On the back of the case, you will find a small, circular setup button. Press and hold this button until the status light on the front of the case begins to flash white. This indicates your AirPods are in pairing mode. After a few moments, your Garmin Fenix 6 watch should display AirPods on its screen, indicating it has found your device. Simply select AirPods on your watch to finalize the connection. You will then see a confirmation message, letting you know that your AirPods are successfully paired and ready for use with your Fenix 6. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.